If wrist pain shows up during push-ups or other pushing movements, limiting wrist extension may help. Welcome to Sport Rehab Playbook. In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step taping technique designed to limit wrist extension and provide support during activity. You'll need adhesive spray applied to anchor zones, 2-inch elastic tape such as Surelite, and 1.5-inch zinc oxide tape. Anchor a strip of elastic tape circumferentially around the distal forearm with minimal stretch. Starting at the ulnar side of the palm, place an anchor strip of zinc tape across the palm. At the thumb web space, gently pinch the tape to prevent rubbing. Continue around the back of the hand, back to the palm, past around the thumb, and finish at the dorsal hand. Place the wrist into the amount of extension they find comfortable. In this position, apply a strip of zinc tape straight from the distal anchor toward the proximal anchor. Apply a second strip, angling it diagonally. Apply a third strip on the opposite diagonal. These strips form your extension limiting fan. Additional strips can be added depending on hand size and the level of support required. Close the loose ends of tape at the hand using the same anchor applied earlier. Before closing the forearm, reassess wrist extension to confirm the desired amount of restriction. If more restriction is needed, fold the ends of the fan onto themselves to shorten the lever arm. Once satisfied, secure the fan at the forearm with a circumferential strip of elastic tape. Continue closing along the forearm, overlapping each strip by approximately half the width of the tape. Cover any remaining exposed edges with zinc tape as needed. This technique provides wrist support and limits excessive wrist extension during activity. If wrist flexion is the provocative direction, this same taping approach can be applied with the fan on the opposite side of the wrist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.